Modern cars break down 300% more often than vehicles from 20 years ago, despite having advanced technology. Let's watch real owners fall victim to manufacturers who deliberately engineer failure into every system and break down exactly how these corporate strategies could be targeting you next.
So check this out. If I was covering this emblem, what would you call this vehicle here? What would you say it is? Seems pretty obvious, right? It would be a BMW. But is it? It's not.
This reveals the deeper scam of design homogenization. Manufacturers deliberately copy each other's styling to confuse customers about actual quality differences. Volkswagen uses BMW-style design elements while hiding their 50,000-mile check engine light problems behind familiar luxury aesthetics. International manufacturing cartels coordinate design trends to eliminate visual quality indicators. When all cars look similar inside, customers can't identify reliable brands through appearance alone. Volkswagen executives receive bonuses for successfully mimicking BMW interiors while using components that cost 60% less to manufacture. The broader conspiracy involves planned design obsolescence cycles. Manufacturers coordinate through industry associations to change interior styles every 3 to 4 years, making older vehicles look outdated regardless of mechanical condition. Consumer psychology research shows that identical design elements across brands increase customer confusion by 340%, making people more likely to choose based on monthly payments rather than reliability data. Watch how marketing has conditioned this owner to associate reliability with being basic.
My Audi failed me. She broke down on the side of the road the other day, and it's really sad because that was my dream car. Unfortunately, this Audi gave me so much trouble, even for being a new car, and I think I'm just traumatized. I'm like, take it back. I need something different. I want something that's going to be reliable, but I also don't want like a basic ass car. If you have a mid to full size SUV that you love and that you feel like has been reliable for you, please let me know what it is because we are going car shopping this weekend.
This is psychological manipulation at its finest. Manufacturers spend billions convincing customers that reliable cars are boring while unreliable luxury vehicles represent success. This owner's Audi failed catastrophically, but she's still trapped by marketing programming that makes her reject reliable options. Internal marketing research from luxury manufacturers shows they deliberately target customer insecurities about social status. Focus group studies reveal customers will accept 400% higher repair costs to avoid feeling basic. Audi's marketing department trains influencers to promote the idea that reliable cars are for people who don't care about driving experience. The Federal Trade Commission found that luxury car marketing uses subliminal status anxiety to override logical purchasing decisions. Audi spends $2.4 billion annually on marketing designed to make customers feel inadequate if they choose reliable transportation. This psychological conditioning generates more profit than building reliable vehicles. Watch how manufacturers eliminate basic controls to force expensive repairs.
3 automotive trends that need to go away, and this Volvo EX30 has all of them. The first one's right here. There are 4 windows like a traditional car in this EX30, but there's only 2 window switches. So to toggle between the front and the rear, I have to first hit the rear switch and then I can lower the rear windows. The second, there's no gauges in front of me, so everything is handled by a single screen. Your parking settings, your speedometer, even your turn signals pop up on the center screen. And that just takes away your attention from the road to be looking at this screen. And number 3 is this fixed glass roof. This is beautiful, lets in a lot of light, but there's no shutters or shade in here. And to add insult to injury, Volvo will sell you a $200 covering that matches the interior that you can install in here and stow away when you don't need it. I know I said 3, but here's a bonus one: lack of physical controls everywhere. In this one, there's no volume dial and there's even no buttons for your glove box. Open that up, I have to go here and hit this button, and there you go.
This Volvo represents the future of automotive extraction, removing simple, reliable mechanical controls and replacing them with computerized systems designed to fail. That missing glove box button isn't innovation, it's planned obsolescence. When the screen dies, you lose access to basic vehicle functions that worked perfectly with mechanical controls for decades. Volvo's engineering teams recommended keeping physical window switches and climate controls, but cost reduction executives overruled them to maximize repair revenue. Internal documents show they calculated that touchscreen failures would generate $1,200 per incident in replacement costs versus $50 for mechanical switch repairs. Software dependency creates perpetual revenue streams through forced updates and compatibility failures. Volvo designs vehicles where minor software glitches disable multiple unrelated systems, requiring complete computer replacements instead of simple component fixes. European Union investigations found that manufacturers deliberately program interdependencies to prevent modular repairs and maximize replacement profits. If you're learning how these companies manipulate you, don't forget to subscribe for more investigations that could save you thousands. Watch what manufacturers hide inside modern car seats.
For any of you guys who've never taken off the seat back of a Wagoneer, here's your front right seat back. Looking like I'm about to do some open heart surgery. I mean, just... yeah.
That seat looks like open heart surgery. It is deliberately over-engineered and designed to fail expensively. Every wire, sensor, and motor represents a potential $2,000 repair bill. Jeep could build simple, reliable seats that last 300,000 miles, but complex systems generate more profit through replacement cycles. Chrysler engineering emails show executives laughing about customers paying seat repair costs for massage functions that break within warranty periods. The complexity isn't for customer benefit, it's for revenue maximization. Internal reliability testing showed these systems failing at 60,000 miles, but marketing positioned the complexity as luxury features. Manufacturing quality control deliberately allows defective seat electronics to pass inspection because repairs generate higher margins than initial sales. Jeep technicians report being instructed to replace entire seat assemblies instead of fixing individual components, turning $50 sensor failures into $4,000 replacement procedures. Watch how formerly reliable brands are deliberately destroying their reputations. This Honda uses GM parts because Honda sold their reliability reputation to maximize short-term profits. When you see GM components in a Honda, you're witnessing corporate reliability destruction in real time. Honda executives calculated that customers would continue buying based on outdated reputation while they installed cheaper, less reliable suppliers. Supplier consolidation allows manufacturers to hide quality reductions behind familiar brand names. Honda's partnership with GM represents a deliberate strategy to extract maximum profit from their reliability reputation before completely destroying it. Internal Honda documents show they projected 5 to 7 years of sales based on past reputation, despite knowing current quality had declined 70%. Toyota's reliability decline follows the same pattern: deliberate cost reduction through shared platforms and cheaper suppliers, while marketing continues promoting reliability that no longer exists. Watch what manufacturers used to build before planned obsolescence became corporate policy.
Hey everyone, we're back again with another super high mile. Look at that, 513,000. That beats my last one of 490. Can you believe it? And check it out. What'd you guess? It's a Toyota. It's a Tacoma manual.
These high-mileage vehicles represent what manufacturers deliberately stopped building. That manual transmission Tacoma reaching 500,000 plus miles proves that durable engineering is possible. Manufacturers simply choose not to do it anymore. Current vehicles are specifically designed not to reach these mileage levels. Corporate strategy shifted in the 1990s from building durable vehicles to maximizing customer lifetime value through repeat purchases. Internal industry documents show executives calculating that reducing vehicle lifespan from 300,000 to 150,000 miles would double industry profits within 20 years. Manufacturing engineers who worked on these durable older vehicles report being specifically instructed to design failure points into modern replacements. Components that previously lasted 200,000 miles are now engineered to fail at 80,000 miles through cheaper materials and inadequate cooling. Watch the emotional reality of what these corporate strategies do to real people.
I bought my dream car and now I'm getting rid of it. Here she is. It's a Mercedes-AMG GT53. Why are you getting rid of it, Nick? Well, I'm glad you asked. Well, reason number one, it's not as exciting as it once was or as I thought it was going to be. When I first got it, very exciting. Loved driving it. People would tell me how nice it was. That was cool. Never had a car that anyone ever said, that's a nice car. That felt nice. But then it faded away. That feeling of excitement faded away. And it's a good thing. I realized that no thing outside of me will ever make me happy, ever. Now, it makes you wonder, if I am not excited about the car anymore, it's been less than a year, keep in mind, why did I really buy it? Was it because I wanted it so bad and I love the car so much? Or did I just want other people to know that I can buy it?
This owner represents millions of customers who discovered that their dream car was actually a carefully engineered financial trap. The excitement fades when you realize you weren't buying transportation. You were buying into a system designed to extract maximum money through psychological manipulation and planned failure. His reflection about external validation reveals how manufacturers exploit basic human psychology for profit. Marketing departments spend billions studying insecurity patterns to create artificial status needs that override logical decision-making. The automotive industry has turned vehicle ownership into emotional manipulation, followed by financial exploitation. They create artificial desires through marketing, fulfill them with unreliable products, then profit from both the initial sale and subsequent repair cycles. If you enjoyed exposing these design failures, subscribe for more automotive investigations and check out the next video on screen. Thanks for watching.